Namaste friends, my name is Himanshu Rajak and today I will explain what is blockchain. So, blockchain is a publicly distributed digital ledger. Now, let me explain the meaning of these words with a simple example. Now, consider that I want to send some money to my friend Adarsh. To make that happen, I will have to ask my bank to transfer some amount of money from my bank account to my friend Adarsh's bank account. The bank is acting as a mediator here between both of us. So the bank establishes trust that it will transfer money from my account to my friend's account safely. After the transaction is complete, it is being recorded on a ledger. This is the same word from blockchain's definition. Now, ledger means a digital or physical book which records all the activities done by all accounts. So, each time you credit or debit money from your account, it is being recorded on a ledger. The word digital ledger means that the ledger exists only digitally and has no physical existence. Now, the problem with this system is that you need to trust the bank that it will transfer money from your bank account to your friend's bank account safely and with loyalty. Also, there are many loopholes in this system. The first loophole is that only a few people can access the ledger and only they can see it. The second loophole is that all the power is centralized to the bank, which leads to the third loophole, which is that the ledger is not secured, which leads to the fourth loophole that the data or the information in the ledger can be changed or deleted by the bank for selfish purposes and no one will know it or can check it. Fifth loophole is that the transaction or the data which is being recorded on the ledger cannot be traced. The sixth loophole is that all these crimes can be done by the bank without the public or the account holders knowing about it. One more negative point I would like to add is that the money transfer in this system can take many days as well as many weeks, means that it is not that fast. But all these loopholes can be filled if banks are being replaced by blockchain. This is because blockchain is decentralized and is publicly distributed, means that every person who is connected to that blockchain network has an exact same copy of the original version of the ledger, and any new transaction adding up to the original ledger will show the same change in the copied versions also. The second reason is that the power is decentralized, means that no single person can take the decision without the permission of all. The third reason is that the ledger is being protected by cryptography and consensus protocols. The fourth reason is that once the transaction information or data published on a blockchain ledger, it cannot be changed or deleted. The fifth reason is that every transaction information on a blockchain ledger can be traced. The sixth reason is that blockchain offers transparency, means that you can see everything and anything happening on the blockchain network, and so there is less chance of any fraud. The seventh reason is that the blockchains are super fast because the work is distributed and is not centralized like the bank system. So guys, that was all about this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want more videos like these, then like this video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.